Okay, so I'm driving towards the town now, and I saw the most perfect place to show you. Whoop, that wasn't the mountain, that was a bush. Okay, yes, oh, perfect. Let me show you. This is Nazaré here, and it comes all the way up to the cliff. This is the lighthouse cliff, and this is all the where the big wave action goes on, because here is the big underwater canyon. And you can really see the white stuff there. Awesome. Look at that. Okay, we are ready to go. There's actually much less cars in the parking lot, but maybe it's because most of the people are on the cliff. Anyway, I am prepared for a full day on the beach. Let's see how long I can actually take it. But the waves look massive. Yes, it feels like summer. It feels like total summer to me. I'm already hot, but of course I'm wearing my wool, so no wonder I feel hot. Ooh. Okay, I already regret not taking my sun umbrella with me, because it's shining. But we are prepared. We have water for the dogs. I have a sneaky plan to climb up the cliff here from the beach. Like I did the day before yesterday, but I see I can't because there's security here. I guess they're blocking it, which is totally okay. But you know, I think I'm always trying to find loopholes. The waves are great, but I can't see any surfers from here because we're so down. So that's not good. But I was not willing to go to the big crowd with my dogs. That would have been nasty, yeah. Oh, did Odessa drink all of the water? Wait, I can give you more. Okay, enough of painting. I think I caught like 2 okay paintings. I like this one, and this is just a funny little thing that I made. Yeah, my bum is hurting from sitting, so let's go and check out these waves closer. It's really funny to see, not funny, amazing, that they look so chaotic and like hell on clouds from here, from this angle. But when I was out with the jet ski, it was very, like, not calm, but you know, like much more manageable and beautiful and majestic, that's the word, like much more manageable. But here, like, you can't even understand how people are out there. lot of emotions right now. Yeah, I just feel a little bit, you know, emotional. And the best way to deal with it is to paint it out. So I am in this gorgeous seaside parking place. This is where I keep all of my painting supplies, like acrylics. And I'm gonna take the acrylics. And when I say emotional, I don't mean that I'm, you know, crying in the corner. I mean that I feel emotions and I really want to work them through, you know. I don't want to go online to numb my thoughts and feelings. I want to be attentive to them and let them just feel out. I think this is the best way to deal with them. So we're gonna do that in plastic gloves. Did I make a mess? Yes. Is this the best work I have ever done? Of course not. Did I enjoy the process? Yes, very much. And the environment? Perfect. I love the colors of the paintings. I'm not sure about the composition, but it doesn't matter. It is what it is. I can't continue painting anymore because it is so moist outside. All of this is fog. So the paint doesn't dry anymore, so I can't layer on. It just ends up mixing more. Linka, nay. She's chewing the leash. But I will show you the best part of finishing a painting. From the camera, this looks actually really nice. And this was like the one that I didn't like. Yes! Okay, I'm gonna put that to dry in the van. If they were a little bit meh before, I love them. I love them both. Oh, beautiful! I love these paintings. I love them a lot. And it was a really fun little experience for me to know which kind of painting you liked on one of my previous videos when I did the watercolors. So you can also let me know now. Do you prefer the landscape one or the portrait one? So yeah, you can let me know. It would be fun to know if we have different tastes, which we probably do. But yeah, you can let me know. And I can't stop looking at one of them. I really like one of them. Yeah, anyway, that was today. Looking back at it, I even don't know what I did. There has been so many things that has happened during the last week that my mind is a little bit like a whirlwind. Like, what did even happen? I don't know. A lot has happened. A lot of emotions. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.